Hello traders, how are you? Vladimir here from Traders Academy Club, and this is my weekly forecast and market analysis. We are talking about the week of 16th to 21st of January 2022. So I hope you have a wonderful start of the year. You are safe and well, and I hope your trading is going well as well. And right before I jump on the chart and start sharing with you my trading ideas for the coming week. If you are new to this channel, first of all, welcome to our fantastic community. I would like to invite you to subscribe to the channel. Please follow the subscribe button below the video. Just remember to enable this notification so you know when there is a new video available for you. And also I invite you to join our trading family, Traders Academy Club, where you will enjoy from real-time trading ideas and real-time trading education delivered to you with every single trading opportunity. To join our family, please follow the link below the video in the description or in the pinned comment in the comment section. So what do we have for this week? There are several amazing opportunities out there in the market, and I would want to share two of them here in this video. And for all the other real-time trading opportunities, I once again invite you to join our trading family, Traders Academy Club. So the two opportunities I want to discuss about now in this video would be the dollar yen and the dollar CAD, which I find to be extremely interesting, both of them. And I covered the dollar yen earlier this week, the last week, where we were looking for our sell opportunity. If you missed this video, you can watch it in my channel, or right now on the right top corner of this video, you can find direct link. My idea back then was to sell here back from the swing highs and go for sell. It never retraced to this area, and it went straight move down. So I personally didn't have the chance to join. However, it still has an amazing opportunity from my point of view. So let's start with the longer run, and then we'll go to the short run. On the longer run, I see here 3 waves. Each of the wave is losing momentum, and we have a bearish divergence everywhere. Moving average of the MACD, histogram of the MACD, and the RSI. The interesting part here is the false break, the fake high over these two. You see we're one spike and second spike. Besides that, this is a very powerful engulfing happened at the end of this week. So when we go to the daily chart, we also can see a clear slowdown. And when we go to the 4-hour chart, this is where the fun begins as we gain 3 waves momentum, strong without any certain ending conditions. We also start to create lower lows. Besides that, on the short-term opportunity, we are bouncing out of this volume area. Well, it's a good opportunity. We would see the pair dancing around here and trying to bounce further, probably to this zone first of all. Sorry, the zone of consolidation here. And then we have the swing highs that are likely to be retested. So this is on a short-term opportunity. We might get here with every pullback, some attempt to rally further. But the interesting part here from my point of view is for the longer run, as if we do complete the rallies towards this zone, I believe that would be for sell. The one thing to pay attention to, on this correction up, we might be building a bearish hidden divergence between the highs, and you will see lower highs on the chart versus higher highs on the indicator. That would be a very powerful indication to look to trade for further bearish direction. So this is my view on the dollar yen. Let me know, what do you think about the dollar yen? How do you see this pair? Please share your view and your inputs in the comment section below this video. And also I would like to ask your help 15-20 seconds of your time. If you find this video helpful, useful, and you would like to share, get more and view more of them, please hit the like button below this video. Drop some feedback in the comment section. 15-20 seconds of your time is a huge help to me, my work, and this channel and the team behind me. And also feel free to share this video with anyone who you believe can benefit watching that. Now let's go to the other opportunity, which was the dollar CAD. By the way, on the last week we had two great opportunities. The pound Aussie, which delivered a fantastic move, and the Bitcoin, which also so far delivering what we wanted to see. I invite you to join the weekly forecast from the previous week so you can see the analysis behind it. And now the dollar CAD. So what happens with this pair? It's a mystery, I would say, because from one side it has a massive move down and all the reason on earth to go back to bullish. However, there is a very interesting scenario going on here, and this is that we've had 3 waves down, but without any ending divergence on a moving average. Besides that, we've had ABCD here, which reached back to the previous swing high and the rejection zone, holding below this massive monthly volume and the weekly volume area. It looks like we are getting ready for further sell. And that's one of the options, basically, I want to follow up. On the daily chart, on the most recent leg, we built a convergence. As you can see here by the indicator, okay, false breakouts found here, fake high, and then flip, lower loss on the chart, lower loss on the indicator. This is an amazing call. And besides that, what we see on the 4-hour chart, it's clear. Well, from my point of view, that's clear. So far, big 2 waves. They could be also viewed as 3 waves. But the interesting part, we don't have any divergence on the moving average. So we do have a histogram divergence in play, yes, but we don't have the trend end. So from my point of view, these rallies are to be sold. And I'm looking, I think that this pair has more to offer to go to the downside. Very interesting scenario developing here with the lower highs and the lower lows creating expanding channel. So I believe every rally with maybe this hidden divergence to complete and develop on these triple waves, for example, could be a fantastic opportunity during the week, as long as we hold this low, this high, sorry, which is also under this volume zone. Speaking about 128.10-ish, as long as we are below that, sell the rallies would be my plan here. And I think this pair has more to offer. Let me know, what do you think about the dollar CAD? How do you view that? Please comment below in the comment section. So that's it for this video. I want to share with you 2 great opportunities, the way I see that, with the analysis and the strategy I plan to apply with the divergences after the pullbacks. For all our real-time trading ideas with real-time trading education, I invite you to join us in our trading family, Traders Academy Club, and enjoy what we have to offer. And we have to offer a lot. To join us, please follow the link below in the description or in the pinned comment. And please don't hesitate to ask any questions if you have any. Thank you very much for your time watching this video. I would like to once again wish you a fantastic week, fantastic year. Stay safe, be healthy, and I wish you great trading. See you soon with more videos. Bye for now. Enjoy the week.